Hi everyone. It is crucial to understand ranking based on price movement, trends, and more. So, in order to view such ranking, we have added some new enhancements on our top 100 ranking app. Let's access the app over here. Click on the menu, and then from the tools, look at the top ranking and click on it. And this will display all the top ranking over here based on the selection of the criteria. So, let's go over a couple of things over here. What you can do over here is you can look at the top 100 instruments based on your selection of choice. You have the ability to select data based on exchange, symbols within an index, or members. You can look at market groups, collection, watch list, and more. So we're going to go through with that over here. You can also look at the instrument based on type of the symbols. You can look at all the equities to bonds to funds to mutual funds, and so even you can look at the warrants. In addition to that, you can filter the data that is appearing over here based on selection of your own sectors. So you can go back to financials, health, care, and more. In addition, you have filters like market caps. You can rank the result based on percentage change to dollar values, the volume, open, high, low, close prices, and of course. So let's go through with that over here. First of all, let's look at the table, what the table does it over here. So you have the data in the table, which is the symbol name, symbol itself, you have a rank. Now this is what we call a global rank, i.e. this is the rank for this company. CGNT is among the top based on the rank that you choose over here. So we're choosing the 1-day change. So this has the highest change among all the instruments traded in an exchange, which is in NASDAQ and NYSE over here. So this is showing 635% increase. That's why the rank is 1, followed by Murtaugh Capital, which is 2, and its percentage change is 324.609. Now, if I were to change this from here to, let's say, volume, and what the system is going to do is going to rank all the 7,000, 30,000 securities that we have within an exchange of your choice, and it's going to filter the data and rank the people who has the highest volume traded. So you can see that the CELG, which is Celgen, has been traded the highest as of now, which is 191 to 30586 shares. And followed by that, you have 116, 938, 661. So you have a very quick ability over here to filter the records for entire exchange and rank them based on your choice. So let me go back to percentage change over here, and this will be rank over here. Now, there are times whereby you want to look at the best performing stocks, or they want to look at the least performing stocks, and this is how you can control it over here in terms of order. So we're saying that we are going to rank everything that we have based on 1-day change. But what if we want to reverse the order? So you want to look at the stock which is not performing really well. So it's going to rank all these stocks within the criteria that you have, and it's going to rank over here. So EVSTC has been down almost 200%, and that's how it's ranked. And then you have all the global rank coming up. And as you can see on the bottom, we limit this information based on 100 cards. So you can filter out more over here at the same time. Now, what we can do, let me go back and change it to descending. So you can get all the best performing stocks over here. There are times whereby you will need to also filter records based, and you want to look at, hey, I want to look at all the stocks, all the instruments within each sector. So what we can do over here is we can look at the group by. So group rank by, you can select sectors and industry. Let me select sector. And what the system is going to do is going to look at all the instruments within your criteria, as in source, and NASDAQ, as in the exchange is your source. You have NASDAQ and NYSE, all the stocks. And it's going to group them in such a way and rank them based on individual sectors. So what you can see, you notice an additional column coming up as a group rank. So this showing the global rank, this is among the top 100 companies over here. As you can see, it ranks goes from 1, 4, 3, 5, and so it's no longer 1, 2, and 3 because we are added a group rank. Group rank means like this is grouped by each sector. So it's going to show the top 10 symbols for each group by each sector. This is where you selected the sectors. So what is showing that the MUDS is the top instruments ranking as 2, and within its group it's ranked as 1. So what the group means, we have selected the sector. So in the other sector is being number 1. Now if you notice over here, you have, let's say, Vary over here, which is among the 4th rank, but it is ranked within the sectors or within the group as in 2nd. So this has been in the financial services is being ranked as 2nd, and 3rd is the National General Holding Corporates and everything. So what we can do over here again is the ability to even sort based on group ranks. So this shows you all the instruments, each within 10 symbols in each sectors. But what we can do is, if I click on group rank and click again, and this will give me all the best stocks in each sectors grouped by rank 1, i.e. these are the top stocks in each of the sectors. As you can see, if I go on the right hand side, you get consumer select, consumer defense, real estate, others, and everything. So these are the best performing stocks based on 1 day change in each of the sectors over here. And so this is your ability to quickly look at the top 100 ranking based on a single ranking, like a global ranking, or you can sort this one based on the group rank for sectors and so. And so, for example, this is the 2nd rank, which showing the 2nd best in each of the sectors. So this is how you can quickly look into it as well. Now, again, you have the criteria. You are only looking at for stocks within $10, $0 to $10 or whatever. This is going to display at the same time. So you have a full flexibility for looking at information. Now, again, by default, it's rank on the global rank. I can click on group rank and click again, and this will give me all the best stocks based on my selection of criteria. Now I can reset all this information over here by clicking on reset filter, and this will reset all the settings. Now so far we have seen how to look at the exchange, but this doesn't limit over here. You can check your universe based on index global, as in all the global indices. What are the top ranking within each of the global indices over here? So Hang Seng seems to be the highest ranking over here, 1.162. I can go back and look at the index members. So for example, you want to look at what are the best performing stock within the Dow Jones based on your own ranking. So this showing the Salesforce within the Dow Jones Industrial is the best over here. You can always change back and look at, let's say I want to look at Nasdaq 100, within 100, what are the top stocks over here. And again, as I say, within this criteria, i.e. within the Nasdaq 100, I can select, let's say I'm only looking at energy stocks, and this will give me all the ranking over here within the energy. Let's take at the financial stocks, and this will give me all the stocks that is coming up within the ascending order or so. Okay, now what we can do, let me reset the whole thing over here at the same time, and I can go back and look at a couple of other things. So for example, I wanted to look at all the key ETFs within the collection. You have like hundreds of collections over here. Let's look at the tech stocks, and this will be rank all the major tech stocks. You have around 13 stocks over here in our collection, and you can rank them the way that you are looking. So you can go from markets to exchange to everything, and last but not least, you can even look at within your watch list. If I select the source watch list, and this will give me anything in all of your watch list, whatever the instruments that is there, you have the ability to rank them over here. And again, I can group them by sectors, and you can say that, hey, within my watch list, what are the best performing stocks for each of the respective sectors? So looks like Fisker is the highest over here, 0.812, followed by Canadian Natural Resources, etc., etc. So as I say, you can jump from an exchange to index to members to market groups to collection to even your own watch list. The sole purpose for this app is to help you to look at all the major instruments that is out there and be able to look at all the different ranks that can be done at the same time.